The Food We Eat Part 2.
Hi children, how are you? In our last video, we have talked about the food we eat part 1. In this, I told you about why we need the food. Why we need the food and why the food is important for us. I also talk about the types of food that are energy giving food, bodybuilding food and protective food. Again, I am speaking for you. I told you about energy giving food. Then I talk about bodybuilding food and the third one is protective food. Then I have told you that what are the food which gives us energy, that are ghee, wheat, butter, sugar, rice and potatoes. In that I also told you about the bodybuilding food that are eggs, meat, chicken, cheese, fish and beans. These are the bodybuilding foods. But today we will talk about that protective food. What is the meaning of protection? Beta, if you feeling so cold in winter that you wear sweater, है ना? Wear sweater, no. So the sweater protects you from cold. In the same way, beta, the food which protects us from many diseases is called protective food. Food like fresh vegetables, food like FRESH, fresh, VEGETABLES, vegetables and fruits protects us from diseases and KWEP keep us healthy. They are known as protective foods. That means beta, the food which protect us from many diseases. And I can say, if in your words, if we eat the protective food, we will not fall ill. We have power of fighting with the many diseases. That means it works like the shelter and we become the Spider-Man. So what kind of protective food we have at home, do you know? We can have many fruits and veggies. In vegetable, see, here is the tray with full of fruits and vegetable. So these are called the protective food. So these fruits and vegetables help us to grow and be healthy. If we will not fall ill, then we will be more tall, more smart and more healthy. So we will eat protective food. So whenever you eat banana, mango, orange, grapes, cucumber, then tomatoes, then you have to know that you are eating the protective food. Protective food. Now, Knowledgepedia. What Knowledgepedia is saying? Knowledgepedia is saying brunch is a type of combo meal eaten late in the morning in place of breakfast and lunch, and supper is also the short meal eaten in the evening. It means, beta, if we not take breakfast or after that some late we eat something like We used to eat breakfast at 8 and we eat near the lunch, breakfast and lunch together. So it is called brunch. Then before the dinner at 6:30 or 7 or 5:50, whatever we eat, it is called supper. Supper. We can have soups, we can have some very good salad or bread slices or something sandwich in the supper. So, supper is clear to you? So, protective food and the supper. Now, I'm turning the page and we are coming on page number 26. Here, beta, one in this book, see, one activity is given for you that you will do yourself. Not I help you in this. I am not going to help you. You have to do it yourself. Now, what is the balanced diet? Balanced. The word balanced. Beta, balanced means equally. That means equal proportion. That means we have carbohydrates, protein, vitamins, minerals in equal proportion, equal quantity. So this is called the balanced diet. Our diet is the food that we eat and drink regularly. A balanced diet includes the right amount of food in each group. It helps us to remain healthy and fit. Again, I am reading it for you. Our diet is food that we eat and drink regularly. We eat and drink regularly, no? So, what is the balanced diet? Which have every kind of good things in it. Every kind of good things in it. In the same quantity. Okay, beta? So, let's start sources of food. Now, where we are getting the food? Sources. So, we get our food from both plants and animals. We can have our food from plant, trees and animals. So, food from the plant. You think yourself. I'm not going to grammar. Think once. I'm giving you 2 minutes. Think yourself and assess. So, but in this, your book is given all kind of spices we can have from the plants, then coffee, then cocoa, then cereals, then sugar, fruits, oil, and the dry fruits and the vegetables. All these things we are getting from the plants. And food from the animals, we have curd, paneer, butter, milk, fish, meat, seafood, eggs, honey, all we are getting from the animals. But you may add many things that food we are getting from the plants. Okay, my dear children. Now we come to the water. You know, children, water is very important part of our food. And we can't live without the water. So if we want to be healthy, we have to drink at least 8 to 10 glass in a day. Now, along with a balanced diet, we should also drink 8 to 10 glasses of clean water. Water clears the wastes from our body and help in the digestion of food. That means whatever the wrong things in our body, what are the wrong things in our body, in our stomach, water help us to flush it out. It will come out with the help of water and our tummy, our stomach become neat and clean and we become more fit and healthy. So you understand how water help us. Now beta, what my granny says. We must drink 2 glasses of milk every day. It makes our bones and teeth strong. It is a complete food. Yes. What is the importance of milk? We have to drink twice a day. Then our bones become too strong and healthy. So we have to drink 2 glasses of milk every day. Now, children, you understand some part of this chapter is left that I am going to tell you in next video. Let's recap. Recap is we have to drink lot of water. It helps us to flush out the waste. Then we had sources of water, 2 type of sources, food from the plant and food from the animals. Then the balanced diet. What is the balanced diet? That in equal quantity we can have everything. That means we have to eat everything. Okay. So, and the other things that we eat, the protective food and the knowledgepedia we have learned. So all these things are in your book, and your chapter is left that I am going to tell you in the next video. Have a nice day, children. Hope you like it. If you don't understand anything, do call me. Thank you very much.